Alright, well, today's January 12th. Here we go. So right now, the battery is just what's shot right now, and it's a pretty shitty battery. I mean, I bought this about 2 years ago, and the guy just replaced it, so it's kind of ready for new one. I could get it. Alright, well, I got it out. I was able to get it out of the thing, because I didn't even take the brace off. The thing was just so rusted, I was able to kind of get it out anyway. So, I'm going to go to walk to Napa now. Just carrying this thing down the road. It's not that bad. I'm glad it happened actually on a Saturday morning, because then it gives me like a lot of time to just deal with it and not need to worry about any stress. So, you know, I'm just getting some exercise, hauling the battery down the road to get replaced. Okay, so I did get a new battery. It was $108, and I'm gonna set this in here. This piece I can't get out, so there's nothing really gonna be bracing it, but that thing is just too rusted in. Alright, here we go. I got the new one installed. Hopefully I didn't fuck up anything. Ugh, slip. Round 2. Oh, I don't know, like a Corvette. It was great. Okay, well now that that's fixed, I'm gonna go buy a new water bottle. I need to edit a new song that I'm working on, which is called Moving On, which is a new one. And I might work on that new song too, that Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds too. We'll get to that. And then later today I'm gonna work on my Patreon account, because that needs some love in general from everybody, including myself. And then hopefully by tonight I can work on some vocals somewhere. I can find a park and just like, no. Kind of bummed out today just because I spent a lot of money, and now next couple weeks I'm going to need to kind of balance my budget a little bit more than I like to. But right now I'm going to play some music for you guys. Here we go.
October blooms, apple orchards, and the sweetest cider that you ever tasted. Caramel hair blowing with the leaves, chills of autumn, and she's my very favorite. And I hold her, her thick sweater. Yeah, she's grown. Sweet as the weather, she blooms for me. Daisy, it's her and me. Daisy. Apples fall right on my head again. My head hurts, but my heart's alright. A million reasons why I stare. She's got the light in her beautiful eyes, and I hold her.
So I want to show you guys one of my favorite vloggers on YouTube at the moment, and her name is Jinty Fell. And basically, she has a family that lives on a bus that travels pretty much full-time around Australia's coastline. So this is her channel right here, and it's just a really cool video to watch if you're interested in learning more about like minimalism and living this type of lifestyle, because there's so many cool rewards, you know, that you get to travel and still have a family and all that, and still, you know, save a lot of money. So this is just a really good channel, I think, that you know, is gonna kind of teach you a little bit more than the traditional way of living, and I think it has a lot to offer. So anyway, I just want to tell you guys about that. I think that their channel is very inspiring to me, because I think I want to have a lifestyle that's very similar to theirs when I'm older, especially if I can make money, you know, through music, and then get to have my family so close with me all the time while I get to travel. So it's a great channel.
Hi there. Thanks for watching. Please follow me on Twitter, and I'm still here. Make sure you follow me, okay? Okay. Bye.